Well, truck's gonna get another motor. Came across this 327 from 1965. It's got the fuelie heads on it, the camel hump, double hump heads, whatever you want to call them. It's got the good heads on it. I'm gonna take it down bare blocks, see how the cylinders look. I'm glad to have it. I've always wanted a 327 for my truck, so she's gonna be going in there in time. Have to see if it needs, to be gone through again, but yeah, I'm glad to have it. It's going in my truck. Right there. It's going in that girl right there. Yeah. So, yep. Heads are from 1965. Blocks from 1965. I believe it's 300 horsepower stock. So yeah, I'm excited about it. Anyways, enjoy the rest of your day.